the heart attack in female have more complication also. They are having severe problem. Female patient present only with complication, they might not have the typical symptoms at all. That heart problem is very much dominant in female. Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about heart attack, how it is different in female or ladies. Heart attack symptoms in female might be completely different from male. They present with different presentation actually. They might not have the typical chest pain, rather they might have pain only in their back, sometimes pain in the left hand, sometimes epigastric pain or pain in the jaw area. Chest pain might not be there. There are some atypical symptoms also like shortness of breath, palpitation or syncope or loss of consciousness. Now these symptoms are very common in female but it is not so common in male. Female patient also might have nausea and vomiting or a feeling of heaviness or burning in the chest. Sometimes female patient present only with complication, they might not have the typical symptoms at all. Now the heart attack in female have more complication also because of the socio-economic status and other family factors, they might not come to the doctor unless and until they are having severe problem. So this delays the procedure, they come to hospital late, and because of that the complication rate also is more in female compared to male. Female patient have more comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, COPD, bronchial asthma. This problem are even hypothyroidism are more in female compared to male. So associated comorbidities, delayed presentation in the hospital, and because of this atypical presentation, sometimes diagnosis heart attack in female might be very difficult. So we should be very careful. If any of these symptoms appear, we should not delay and the patient should immediately come to emergency to do at least one ECG to rule out any heart attack. Now coming to medication, even after the angioplasty or after any procedure, female patient might not be very regular in taking their medication because of the financial issues or family pressure or other things. So this can lead to again various complications. Because of the hormonal factors, young female who are less than 45 to 50 years, because of the high estrogen, there might be little bit less risks in having heart attack. But nowadays even young female are coming due to heart attack. Stress is also very important because females are doing multitasking, they are managing both indoor and outdoor also, they are going to their job and managing their house also. The stress might be really high in female. And sometimes there is not proper sleep pattern also. This again can increase the chance of heart attack. Sometimes because of this stress, female might have a spontaneous rupture in their coronary arteries. This can lead to very serious heart attack. So all these factors separate heart attack symptoms from male to female, and as a lady cardiologist, I urge all the females to take care of their health and to understand that heart problem is very much dominant in female. And breast cancer, we have so much awareness, but from breast cancer, whatever death happens, from heart attack, the death is even 3 times more. So female patients should be very careful. All the ladies should take care of your heart. And even if you don't have time, try to go for walk and do some relaxing activities and give at least 30 minutes to yourself daily so that we can prevent this catastrophic event and all the females should lead a happy and healthy life.